In this problem, these two ropes are being used to lower this piano downward. So we see the three forces that are on here, and we know that the displacement is going to be in this direction, downward. And they told you the value of the displacement. They told you in the problem what M was and what T1 and T2 are. So we're asked to calculate the three different kinds of work. The first one is the work done by the force of weight. That's this guy right here. So work is always F d cosine theta. So the work done by the weight force, the force is mass times gravity. That's the F part. The d is the displacement, this one that they gave us. And then we're going to have the cosine of 0, but the cosine of 0 is just 1. So this is just going to be the mass times gravity times the displacement. The next one they want is the work done by tension number 1. So I'm going to call that work number 1. And just like it always is, it's force times displacement times cosine of theta. So the force is going to be tension number 1. The displacement is the d. And now we have to find the angle between this vector and that vector. If I draw the T1 vector over here, tail to tail with the displacement, there's T1, I see that the angle between them is more than 90 degrees. That much would be 90, and then it's 60 more degrees than that. So that's 90 plus 60, or 150 degrees. So here, the angle I'm going to use is a cosine of 150, and I'll calculate that. This is going to turn out to be negative, which makes total sense because the displacement is downward, but tension 1 is pulling up. They're working against each other. So the last part is very similar. We're going to calculate the work done by tension number 2. So just like before, it's going to be tension number 2 times the displacement times the cosine of the angle. Well, if I draw over here, there's tension number 2, just like that one. This displacement goes this way, and so this angle in here is going to be the 90 degrees plus this angle here, 45. So that's a total of 135 degrees. So we'll have cosine 135.